All items must have donors, so creating donor records is the first step to adding items to your catalog. Even if the bulk of your donor records are imported or migrated, you will inevitably need to manually create records for at least a few new donors. To create a new donor record, click on Add a Donor. Enter the business name of the donor. If the donor is an individual, uncheck the Is Business box and the name fields will change. A name is the only required field, but a complete address makes it possible to send thank you letters using the built-in mail merge tool. If a website is provided, a hyperlink to it will be added to the donor name displayed in the web catalog. And an email address will allow you to email a receipt for their donation and use other email templates. These fields can be used to track the source of the donor and any connections they may have to your organization. If the donor has requested anonymity, checking this box will hide their name from the public. And if you have created any custom fields for donors, they will display here. The internal notes field provide freeform space for notes that will only be seen by your team. Once you've entered the donor's data, click Save to create a new donor record. You can access the donor's activity and history by clicking on the donor name. This section allows you to review and add to the recorded activity for this particular donor. You can view all items they have donated, and you can add new items here, although most people do it from the catalog page. You can also print or email a receipt for their donation, review the contact history and add a new contact note if needed, and view the internal notes that were added on the previous screen. If you want to edit anything in the top half of the page or the donor notes, click on the Edit Donor button. You can bulk edit some fields from the donor page. Solicitor, relationship, anonymous, and contact history can be bulk edited, and receipts can be sent in bulk from the main donors page.